One of your first roles was Pierce Brosnan, but Jackie Chan as well.
That was wild.
It sounds a bit wild. What was it like?
So I did an audition, and it was so, like, most of the time with stuff that's that big, they don't tell you what it's about. So I didn't know when I was auditioning what it was for, and then I was waiting on something else, and my agent called me up and said, "You didn't get that thing," and I was like, "Damn it!" She went, "But you did get this," and she read over the script over the phone of me fighting Jackie Chan. It took me 5 times to really go, Jackie Chan, you know? And she was, I was on the billing sites at the time, so she was like, "You're gonna have to tell your foreman that you're not coming in tomorrow because you're getting collected to go to the gym with Jackie Chan for 2 weeks to fight with his stunt team and learn how to do all that." I didn't realise how long it took, because obviously after the film I was like, well, this money will run out eventually, so I better just go back and start working. And then I realised I was on site, and I could tell they were introducing, if a new lad came on the site, they'd be like, "There's John, there's Jimmy, that's Niall. He thinks he's fought Jackie Chan, he's harmless, leave him." And I didn't know how long. It took 3 years to come out, I think, and I was just the weirdo on set who had fought Jackie Chan. "Oh, and Jackie Chan versus the IRA, is it? Yeah, gotcha. That's a film." Yeah.
That's real.
Yeah.